Hello YouTube, how ultraviolet damages the skin, rules for using sunscreen. In the early 60s of the last century, French actress Brigitte Bardot introduced topless sunbathing into fashion. If she knew that ultraviolet accelerates photoaging and promotes the development of skin cancer, she would apply sunscreen twice and hide in diffused shade. The sun produces three types of radiation. Visible spectrum, that is sunlight. Ultraviolet. Infrared radiation. Ultraviolet is divided into three spectrums, UVA, UVB, UVC. We are interested in UVA and UVB because UVC does not reach the Earth's surface. UVA, long wavelengths of ultraviolet, contributing to the appearance of mere pimples, acne plus sun allergy, and oxidative stress. Oxidation and reduction is a normal process that continuously takes place in the body. But if the amount of antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, radical oxygen atoms, is critically reduced by UV, damaged cells die. Distinctive features of UVA: penetrate deep into the skin, into the dermis, do not produce vitamin D, form a fast tan, cause an inflammatory process, violate the integrity of the hydrolipid mantle, weakening the protective mechanisms of the skin. UVB, short waves of ultraviolet that damage the DNA of skin cells and the extracellular matrix. PM is the basis of connective tissue, consisting of proteins, collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid. Distinctive features of UVB: form sunburn, responsible for the appearance of a dark, persistent tan and the synthesis of vitamin D, contribute to dehydration of the epidermis and the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Together, UVA and UVB rays accelerate skin aging, photoaging, and contribute to the development of cancer. The right sunscreen should include filters for both types of UV. This is the only way to avoid the appearance of sunburn, the appearance of which indicates that the melanocytes activated by the skin cells could not digest the ultraviolet. Melanocytes are a kind of sun umbrella built into our body at birth. But, unfortunately, its protective function is limited in time. Without sunscreen, melanocytes fight UV for about 10-15 minutes. How is ultraviolet light linked to skin cancer? Cells with damaged DNA are able to mutate. The accumulation of such cells can lead to their uncontrolled growth and division, which contributes to the formation of benign or malignant neoplasms. Rules for using sunscreen. 1. Apply sunscreen with SPF 30-50 at least half an hour before leaving the house on clean, dry skin. 2. 1 square centimeter of skin minus 2 milligrams of cream. For the face, this is approximately 1.2 milliliters of the product. It is convenient to measure the required amount using a thin insulin syringe. Apply the cream in an even layer, avoiding temples, ears, parotid areas, neck and other exposed areas of the body. Use sunscreen not only on a sunny day, but also on a cloudy day, because even on a cloudy day, ultraviolet settles on your skin. 3. Reapply sunscreen throughout the day. If you are in the office during the working day, it is enough to reapply the cream before going out in the evening. When relaxing on the beach, reapply the cream every 2 hours after each dive in the water. 4. When doing makeup, first apply sunscreen, then foundation. The main condition is that sunscreen must be completely absorbed by the skin. I advise you to use compatible creams of the same brand to avoid allergies or rashes. Love yourself and your skin rashes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.